Nigga, are you Leatherface?
Yes.
Nigga, that is me, you idiot.
Oh my god. Fuck you.
No.
Fuck you, bro. Fuck you.
He's Bro, how do I run?
You can't fit through that big fat ass.
No blood, but oh, I found some. Ho Gramps up. Ho Gramps.
Oh, I definitely am. Buddy taking it straight to the head. Sheesh.
You Leatherface, nigga, handle that.
Handle that. You see how they do you, bro? This is me, Goofy.
Get him.
What is wrong with y'all? What is wrong with y'all? What exactly? I just had two niggas right in front of me and I'm just slow as shit all of a sudden. Oh my god! Oh my god! Let me sprint, huh? Now you wanna let me sprint, huh? Fuck this game! Fuck this game! Bro, I'm done. I'm done. I'm gone. I'm gone. Now you wanna tell me how to fucking I'm done. Oh, I'm having a panic attack of my life. The panic attack of my life. They finally want to give me instructions. I haven't got instructions since I opened this damn program. What the fuck? Anything but a dub. There's no coming back from this in my eyes, bro. The rating's gonna be low as hell. They might get a 2.5 star. If I can't win with the simplest shit.
We're murderers.
Hitchhiker, Johnny, Sissy, crazy. You can keep that nigga. He thought he had a friend. The fuck? Dang, they only got one black guy, bro. The victims.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, feed Grandpa some of that good soup, man. That's one thing I know.
I start in the basement with these niggas.
Secure the property. Feed Grandpa blood.
And collect blood from victims. Execute victims. Oh, yeah. Get your ass put on a stretcher. On that rack. Oh, man. On that rack. Man.
Hey, look, it's me.
It's actually Quise. Oh, I thought you was looking at Leatherface too. They down here? How in God's name am I supposed to, like, I can't fit through here, bro?
Okay.
I hear him down here with me, bro.
Oh, fuck. That scared me, nigga, and I'm the murderer. Where you niggas at, boy?
Oh, okay. There we go. I didn't know how to destroy this shit.
Yes, sir, Grandpa. Show me where they at. Now, how do I
run?
Oh yeah.
30 out of 81. Shit. Bless me. Oh, he taking off. He right here on me.
Where?
Down low. Can I not run, bro? This is so goofy.
Nigga, are you Leatherface?
Yes.
Nigga, that is me, you idiot.
Oh my god. Fuck you.
No.
Fuck you, bro. Fuck you. Bro, I promise you, I'm thinking that's somebody else this whole time.
No, bro.
Let me make my way upstairs, bro. Is there a time limit? I assume there is. I got the door open to lead to the upstairs. Close that bit back. Thank you. Is this you again?
Nigga.
Bro, how do I get around this?
Bro, you telling me Leatherface too fat to get through this shit? And I see this bitch right here in front of me, bro. Can you move? Can you run? Can you sprint?
The person out there?
Where you at? Yep. Goofy? Of course it's the black guy first. Crazy.
Bro, how do I run?
You can't fit through that big fat ass. Oh my god.
Wait! Come here, wait!
Where do I go, bro?
Come here, shawty.
Turn off that light.
Come here. Come here. Hey, I'm leaving her to you. She coming your way, nigga. Turn around.
Oh. Damn, she hit the back streets on your ass.
That bitch. She got away.
She jumped in the well?
Yeah.
Fuck. Where Gramps at, bro? Let me pull him up some.
Yeah. Go find that nigga.
He right here. Let me pull him up some.
Find no blood, boy. Oh, I found some. Hold Gramps up. Hold Gramps.
Oh, I definitely am. Buddy taking it straight to the head. Sheesh.
Hold on. Watch out. Watch out. I gotta get my OG some.
I gotta get my OG some.
Oh, yeah. Sip up. Sip up. Get some of that. Oh, yeah. Good job, Grant. Good job, Grant.
Oh, if I keep revving the chainsaw, I think I can run with it.
I got some more blood. I got some more blood. Here, Grant.
Oh, on me. Two of them.
You Leatherface, nigga, handle that.
Handle that. You see how they do you, bro?
I need some blood, bro. You still ain't killed nobody else, bro?
Hell nah. Oh, I see one on me.
Where?
Right here in front of me. In the middle of the house.
Mid-house. This dumb bitch gonna jump right back over here. Goofy.
You got her?
Nope. She's just low. She went inside.
Alright, I'm going around the other side, boy. She's gonna be in for a pleasant surprise, man.
Definitely.
Is she in the house?
Is that Grandpa yelling?
Oh, I see her. Yes. See the yellow shit on your screen.
Ah, bet. They went inside, I think, and
Oh, I see her. I'm on her.
I'm gonna feed Gramps. Bitch, let me pull up with my mans.
Get Get your ass on the ground, boy. Yeah.
Yes, sir. 2 more left.
You got her up out of here, boy. Hey, boy, we on time and now. Oh, boy, that's your big fat ass.
But yo ass dunking down. Oh my goodness. Hey, they might be downstairs with the victims by now. I want to check.
Where's Grant? Oh, that's bro. Oh, I see him. He's on me. I'm on him. Boy, come here. Come here, boy.
Go ahead and handle that. Linda disconnected.
Punching me! This nigga just knocked me down!
This nigga done got his ass whooped. That Leatherface gotta do everything on this hoe.
Come here, bitch ass nigga. Oh, you thought you were gonna just punch a nigga and get away with it? Hey.
Come on, I know it's some more people down here.
Oh, he done got his homegirl killed. They both up here.
I'm coming up, I'm coming up. Come on, come on. How I get up that hoe? Where the steps, man? Where am I going? Is the real question.
No, did they leave?
They did.
I need to go hold them up, man.
How did the victims win in this shit?
They gotta escape.
Oh. Yeah, they're fucking terrible. They have the worst Leatherface known to man fighting them.
Did one of the things downstairs. She just knocked one of them.
Not wood.
No. You let that hoe escape.
Bruh, what am I supposed to do?
Kill him?
This some goofy shit, bruh.
Downstairs where you supposed to be.
Nah, bruh, niggas ain't.
How you let Reg turn up on you like that? I mean, just absolutely.
Turn up? You got 200 more points than me. What you mean?
And I got 2 kills without Leatherface. Like, come on now.
Hey, you try running with this fat ass chainsaw with no instructions. They don't give no guide. They just say, here go a chainsaw, nigga. Get kills. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it, bruh.
Yeah, that's what you supposed to do, bro.
When I tell you I'm gonna wipe these boys out and have fun down there, collect hella blood, cause most of the blood downstairs.
I don't need to do that. That's y'all dog.
Oh my goodness. Ooh, I hear one of these niggas. How the fuck do I get over there, bruh? Oh my god, this game's so terrible. Hey, Goofy, go through it. Okay, I'm done.
What?
So if something's glowing red, does that mean people are over there by it?
Oh my.
This is me, Goofy.
Get him.
What is wrong with y'all? What is wrong with y'all? What exactly? On me, on me, on me, on me. He's right in front of me. In the corner. Of course it's the black guy again. Oh my god, he's running towards y'all. The house.
Alright, I'm gonna go around.
Oh, right here in front of me. Yes, sir. Where you going? Right here in front of me. Right here in front of me. Taking off. Taking off. Taking off.
Man, probably just sat right there on the edge of the bed, contemplating.
Oh, 2 of them right here in front of me. No way, bro. Why are you running so slow?
Where, bro.
In front of me, bro. Why can
Down
these
or
characters
up?
not
Down or up,
chase?
bro.
Why can these niggas not chase, bro? I just had two niggas right in front of me and I'm just slow as shit all of a sudden. Buddy downstairs somewhere. Oh, caught her, get slaughtered, nigga, caught her, she going back up, she going back up, she going back up, she going back up, yes, sir! Oh, you found a different one, it's another one. Oh, yeah, get her, you selling me, go. Goofy! Let's go!
One went downstairs. Now go.
Bet. I'm headed back. We really cornered that nigga, bro.
Wait, where's that blood go? I swear it was blood. Oh, that's your egg laugh.
Buddy got caught up trying to pick the lock down here, and I started whacking his ass. Let's go.
Gonna get this.
I was just down there. This goofy nigga didn't find a soul.
Go, bro.
Through.
Yep.
Oh my god. Final victim? What do you mean? Ain't the other one leave?
Find this hoe.
I thought the other one left.
Nigga, I don't care, man. We gotta find this hoe now.
Oh my god, I thought I was gonna get the shank in the fucking closet. You talking about my Leatherface run was a L. Where your bodies at?
I got a body.
Nah. I put in work. That's all I'm gonna do.
There. They escape now. Big chunky ass nigga finna be saving me, bro.
I swear to God, if I get slaughtered, I'm rage quitting, bro. I swear to God, I am. I can feel it coming out of me, bro.
Hey, we next to each other. What's up, you Negro?
Whoa! Give me up out there, ho.
Screaming!
Who?
The other people, you're not supposed to make a lot of noise because then they know where you are.
Shit, that ain't got nothing to do with me.
Big chunk ass nigga. What's my ability do? Alright, let's go.
Leland. Thank God you're still alive.
What the? What is your name? Your character?
Sonny, I think.
Alright, we need... Ooh, I need that health. But we oh, yes, lockpick right here. Alright, I got an unlock tool. Where you at?
I got one too. I'm headed back to the same spot. Hey man, if you need a nigga to pick your lock, hey, I'm perfect for it. I'll do you justice.
Which one of you big fat feet ass niggas did that, bro?
Aw shit, they on his ass.
And he's over here. Alright, we got it.
Go.
Hold on, nigga. That don't mean we out this hoe. It's still more shit we gotta do.
What you mean?
Nigga, we have to literally find our way out of this though. Like,
Oh, let me
I
cut
don't
these
even know what the exit look like, bro.
I'm cutting these shits down.
Snatching this big ass health bottle. Oh my god, that means someone's close.
Go.
This nigga's right here.
Where's right here?
Oh my fuck, he's on me.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Get away from me! 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 Bro, there's no helping. There's no helping. How do I win, bro? How do I leave? How do I leave, bro? How do I leave, bro? How do I leave? Not with randoms, bro. They not finna help. They not finna help, bro.
Let me watch this black man.
Oh my god. Go, go. Come on, any help? Something. Thank you. But
Nigga, why did you waste that?
hey, fuck it. We bow.
Goofy nigga.
We bow. Ah, we bow. Fuck it. Oh my god.
Wait. Oh, they on your ass, boy. What? Go down, nigga, down.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Nigga, just go. Stop being a pussy.
I have one, don't I?
No, nigga.
This bone pick shit ain't it?
No, that's the. Oh, they on your ass. Oh, he on your ass.
Definitely.
Oh, look.
That's raps. That's raps. Oh, now you want to let me sprint, huh? Now you want to let me sprint, huh? Fuck this game! Fuck this game! Bro, I'm done. I'm done. I'm gone. I'm gone. Now you want to tell me how to fucking... I'm done. Oh my... Oh my god. Oh my god. Now when I'm having the panic attack of my life. The panic attack of my life, they finally want to give me instructions. I haven't got instructions since I opened this damn program. What the fuck? Oh my god. And just like that, thank you for tuning in to the vid. If you want more to come, like, comment, and subscribe. This shit just pissed me off to the absolute max.